I want to start as guest blogging. So as the name clearly says, guys, you will be writing an article, write an article, but you will be publishing in someone else's website. Publish, publish in someone website. Not someone else, but you got the point. Someone else's website. But in exchange, what he gets is a high quality article. You have to write for him. He'll get a free article. In exchange for you will be getting a reference link. So the reference link can be in your bio of your page because you are the person who's publishing. You may get in the bio or you may get within the content. Okay, within the content what you have written, you may get a backlink. That is called as guest blogging. Now let me start how to find websites related to your industry. So you take your keyword. So what's your keyword? Interior design. So interior, I think I made a mistake. Interior design. Now go to Google, search for interior design and give space. You can put plus symbol and within the quotes, just search for guest blogging. Guest blogging. This is one of them. Second one, again, interior design. Second one, type with guest post. Some people put guest post. Some people put write for us. Write for us. And the last one, plus again here, contribute. Contribute. These are the few most commonly used in the things. Interior design plus guest blogging, guest post, write for us, or contribute. Let me show you an example. So I'll go to this website. Let me go to Google. Okay. So let me just close all of these things. So here, let me just search for digital marketing. And again, give within the quotes and type guest blogging. I think I missed this. Now click enter. So can I see 20 digital marketing blogs that accept guest blogging, 35 digital marketing blogs that accept guest blogging. So these all are link opportunities. Very, very important word. Link opportunities mean you may get off backlink. You will never, there's no guarantee that you will get backlinks. Okay. These are the websites where you can look into it. Same thing. What you can do is you can type your industry. Say for example, interior design. Okay, just search for interior design. Can I see 202 interior design guest post website list? Write a guest post. Can I see interiordesignquestions.com? Can I see write a guest post is there? So you can go to this website and you can write. You should be writing, not you should be sending them an article. There's no guarantee that they will publish it, but keep that in mind. Okay, 15 best. Wow, it, love it. I have no idea what is this. So fresh list of interior design blogs, a complete list of. I have no idea what is this word. So you can just take time and you can find it. But like you have tons of results here. You can just go to second page, third page and find so much information. So this is the first one, guest blogging. It doesn't stop there. Again, one second list, search for guest post. Okay. So you can use guest post. Can you see here? Interior design gallery95.com. Interior design guest post. They accept guest post. Interior design guest post. Can you see home bunch? Okay, people per hour guest post, do a guest post. So these are the websites. Again, not stop here. So next one is you search for write for us. Again, search. Again, you find tons of website. Can you see architectideas.com, write for us. I'm very bad in spelling this. I have no idea what is that. Okay, isusu.com, write for us. Can you say write us? Same thing, write for us. Interior design ideas. Okay, house, again, you get write for us. Now, here is where you find write for us. And the last one is contribute. Contribute. Just search for contribute. So again, you may find websites that accept contribute. Contribute is just like guest post only. Again, you open every single website. And see which of the websites accept guest post. Now to give an example, these are few examples, 25 digital marketing. This is an article they've already written to find for me to help me do this, to save research, but you can also do by yourself. Learn inbound, on crawl, and all these websites are accepting guest post. Now, if you want to pitch your post to here, they're already suggesting me links also. Can you see here? Learn about star author program, some website on crawl. Yeah, this is the website. Now I don't want to confuse you. Let me go to your sites only. So architectideas.com, write for us is there. You found this website how? By just writing write for us, contribute, guest blogging, guest post. Okay. So here you scroll down, try to find their email. The goal is to always find their a good email. So here they have given write for us. They're giving you the topics on what topics you can write. I think your topic is covered here. So it's a good relevant website. Now let me activate mouse just to confirm. Can you see here? It's a very good site. domain authority and page authority are very decent. So you can consider very old site also, almost 3 years old. Now I'll scroll down. They're telling they're getting good traffic also. So they have good statistics. Now here, submit, fantastic. Can I see here?
Yeah.
I found their email. Now what you should be doing, here now is you have to go to your Google Drive. I don't know, I can use my drive now because I have to, let me just add my other domain because my report is in other domain. So add another domain. So use your other, not this one, this one. Go to your domain. Now let me tell you how to create a simple report. So the goal is to build link opportunities first. So let me just click on this and go to Drive. So you got the point, right? How to find link opportunities. Just go to Google. Step number one.
Yeah.
Let me write it for you. Step number one is take your industry. You can be more specific also. Kitchen design, guest blogging. You can be more specific. Like I can be SEO, guest blogging, or PPC, guest blogging, social media, or just Facebook ads, guest blogging, email marketing, cold outreach, right for us. You can do more specific also. Okay. You don't have to be too generic also. Just find it like this. And now, once I come to this term, let me open my report. Guest keyword research report. You can this only you can continue. So I'll create a new page. Finally, we completed the first page. We are going to the second page of Excel. Okay. So let me just go to this new page, sheet number 2. Okay. In here, so you can, I think I can delete all these things. I don't need any of these things. So here you can write something like, you can merge all these things. Merge cells. I have no idea why it's not happening. Let me delete column. So there you go. So let me merge them. So I'm going to write off page SEO. So again, you can make it, guys, you don't have to make it too perfect. Again, you know the drill. So I think I made a mistake. Okay. So you can put some background. You can increase the font. Again, you can just all these things you can play with it, guys. So usually you start with date. Okay, so what date you're starting with. Now here, now you don't have to follow the exact thumb rule, guys. I don't follow. I feel like however you feel like doing reports, you do it. Now I'll just write it as guest blogging opportunities. Okay, so your industry today's date, of course, is 28th April. I don't know how to use a calendar here. I'm just going to put it. So April 2020, it's good for me now. Now here, I'm going to start with my website URL. So you can just write as here. I should have done guest blogging above. Let me just do one thing. So let me delete this column. Of course, I'm doing guest blogging now. You don't have to know that here. I'm going to put website link. Here, I'll put as page authority, put domain authority and their email. If no email is there, find their contact page. If contact page is there, find their social links. This is what goes to my mind. If I'm not finding any of them, so the first filter is this matrix. So how did I find this website? I just found through Google. I'm going to copy this link. Again, this is a simple report, guys, for clients purpose only. So you can keep it in as different form as you want. Okay, so you can just make it look a little bit better. So this is done. So the website link is where I pasted here. This is the link I found. So their authorities is I can see here 36 and 28. I think it's not for, this is the for contact page, but you can do it for their home page, guys. But as of now, I'm going to put this link. You can put their home page preferably 36 and 28. 36 and 28. I found their authority. It's very good. So I found their email. So it takes time. It takes time. I'm not telling it's easy. I think where did I miss? Yeah, there you go. So I found their email. So this is a link building opportunity for me. So I found it here. I'll paste it here. Okay. So if they have a contact page, I don't have a contact page. You just put their contact page if it's available. If it's not there, since I found their email, no need to put. If you email and also contact is not available, try to find their Facebook page or their Twitter page somewhere in their header or footer. Can you see here? I found their social link. I found their Facebook page. Facebook will be spammy, guys. People may consider spam. Go to Twitter. So contact them through Twitter. It looks more professional. If you want to be more professional, go to them to LinkedIn. Okay. So I found their social link also. No need to get this much information, guys. At least get their email. That is more than sufficient. Okay, don't get their phone number, don't build their phone number. If you call them, it's kind of like spamming them. Now like this, again, you have to go through every website, guest post on our on high quality home improvement interior design blog, hours per hour. I think this looks like more like a site. They charge you money for publishing guest post. I
And
think
the
this is not a
domain
good one.
authority is 70.
Sorry.
Domain authority is 70.
No, they are like more like a website. They do it for you service.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so homebunch.com, guest posting ideas. I'm not sure these are giving ideas or these accept guest post. Let me check. These are designed by, these are only ideas. No idea what these guys do. Try to find their footer, header, footer. So Homebunch looks like more of an interior design company. So let me just check. Now I'm not able to find anything here. It's all our blog comments. Interior design, it takes time. Now there is one shortcut that you can do if you are struggling to find. I don't have time to find all these things. What I do is I'll copy this URL, copy the URL, go to this website. The tool you're going to use, email finding tool is hunter.io.
Okay.
hunter.io. So add your domain here, click on
Hmm.
find email. You can put your home page. Sadly, I couldn't find any emails here. Can you
Oh
see?
my God.
So
Okay.
no company mails are available. So usually you find it. Say for example, you put for any site adflix.net. I click search. Can you see? I'm
Hmm.
able to find the email IDs. Okay.
Yes.
So as of now, you can find it, but usually this you have to just sign up. You get the actual values. Okay. If
Sure.
you want, you can byjuice.com. You want to talk with founder of Byju's, just go to Byju's, and the actual list, don't tell anyone. It's byju's@byju's.com. That's his official email. That's how I came to know. So this tour only. Okay.
Okay.
So now coming back, you can find any person's email. Now there is one more trick. I'm using a paid account. That's the reason I told you the free use one. So the paid one is, I'll go to the site again. Okay, so home bunch only. There is a extension I use called, it's a Chrome extension called as find that lead. Find that lead. It's a paid account. It's not a free one. Just click on find that lead of that page. If you have any emails in that, it will find it. Okay, find that lead. Sadly, this site doesn't have anywhere. Now, still it's not available. Don't give up. Find their social links. Try to find their Facebook link or their Twitter link. Okay, or a YouTube link. Whatever it's available, try to find their social links. It's a good example. You can see here on social media,
Yeah.
home bunch, home bunch, home bunch. I found their Twitter handle. So copy, go back, paste their Twitter handle here. This is what I could find. I'm not sure they accept guest post or not, but you got the point. They have good authority.
Okay.
Now 42 and 62. 42 and 62. Again, I found their social link. Maybe if they didn't reply on Twitter, don't give up, go to Facebook. Okay, so this is what
Okay.
you do. Okay, so like this, you have to find, can I see gallery 9 interior design guest post? So there's one
Mhm.
website here. So they're telling you to submit it here only. So I'm going to copy this website. This is the third link opportunity I was able to find. So again, I'll find their domain authority and page authority, 42 and 62. I think this is the same one or a different one. Okay, home bunch is done. No, sorry. This is the one. This is the one. Yeah. This one is 22 and 38. 22 and 38. Now here, I'll try to find their email. Now let me see any email is there. Yes, you have to go through the certain times they don't put the link, they'll put at the rate. They'll write it at so that people bots don't find it. So I don't have time. I'm just going to copy this as a link opportunity. So I'm going to put again, I already copied it. Let me find any social links, footer or header. Okay, no links. If it possible, if you find their contact page also, that will be also be helpful. So this is what you do. Certain times I outsource it to my interns where they do this work from morning to evening. I found that Twitter handle. There you go. I'm going to copy this handle. So I'm going to add them here. So I found their handle. Now it doesn't stop. You have the URL still. Copy this URL. Go to find that lead. Search. Click on find emails. Hopefully, can you see I found one email?
Yeah.
Can you see IAAOO? I'm not sure is that right one or not. You can find their email. So there's one more technique. You know the technique. Just install this extension. Find this extension. For find that lead. Can you see I got Lucy at email ID. This is a public email. It's not something you're hacking. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm getting it publicly only. So you can say legible Chrome extension. So it's up to them, but don't spam them. That's all. So I found one email. So I got one more email. This is all valid emails only. So I found them. I can give one more line. I can add two options for them, or you can put forward slash and you can put the same line. However you're comfortable with using reports, guys. It's your report. It's how you understand it. So there is no point. There's no perfect template. If you want to still waste your time in creating the perfect report, go to Google, search for best outreach report, something like that. You should be able to get it. Okay. So this is what you do, guys. Like this, you have to find for every website. So the more websites you buy, again, this is the first technique that you can scale very, very fast. Okay. So if I'm doing for digital marketing, so very simple, what I do, I just search for digital marketing guest blogging, again within the quotes, of course. Okay. So again, you find all these websites. Okay. Open all these websites and see where they accept. Now I'll open all these sites. Now I previously went through search engine journal. It takes time for me to go through them. Can you see they're providing me links here? So for example, can you see SEMrush? I want to publish my article on their SEMrush website. So strict guidelines, blog guidelines, let me go through them. And this is industry standard guidelines. I think SEMrush, what they have provided, I've read them long back once. So make sure this is the guidelines pretty much everyone follows. Most of them, if it's a good quality backlink, they expect this only. So this is a link opportunity for my site. So 10 rules for guidelines approval. Content should be unique. That is rule number 1. Content should be actionable. Okay. Avoid basics. Don't say what is interior design, how interior design helps. Avoid basics. I mean, I give you an example for my industry. Don't go for basic question. Link to credible sources. This is where you'll be linking to your site. Don't apply self-promotional. Don't say you're the #1 company in the world offering interior design. Just example. Okay. So don't do that. Okay. So don't be self-promotion. Use relevant and timely research data. Should meet a need and be authoritative. Focus on being technically accurate and don't make claims. Okay. If you're doing, make sure you have some facts based on that. So these are things you have to consider. And one thing is one fundamental rule. Once the content has been written, it should be given to only one website. You cannot write one article and share it to 10 websites. One content, if I write for SEMrush, it should be given only to SEMrush. Or you can do one thing. You can hire 2 content writers, freelance content writers, of course, if you want. Now you can take the same topic, give it to both of them. They will be writing in a different style. You can give it to those 2 content to 2 different people. That is fine. But you cannot give the same exact content or spin content. You should never do that. Okay. So you lose your credibility. That's all. In the future, they won't consider your content to be posted. So this is the way you do it. So I can remove SEMrush. These are the guidelines, but make sure these are the ways you do it.
But I can publish in my blog, right? I mean, in my website.
No. Guest blogging is never about publishing in your website.
Oh, it's just submitting.
You are going to write. You are going to give that content to some website, some other website. Okay. Now, example, whom you are going to give now? You are going to give it to these guys now. These guys. Now, like this, you have to take time, guys. If I do for digital marketing, now I can fill up my Excel sheet just like that. Can you see Mashable is there? I'll open Mashable. Can you see they may have put the link directly here only. HubSpot is there. Get response is there. Social media today is there. My links just get filled up just like that. Mashable. Can you see news at mashable.com? I found their email. Next one. HubSpot. Let me check HubSpot email. Just go to my Excel sheet. I have to fill that Excel sheet. Now, what topic you want to write? I want to write about not sales. I have no idea about sales. My boss will write about sales actually. Now, as of now, I'll go to my HubSpot blog. Let me find any emails. So we don't accept anything that has been already covered. So make sure you check it's not been written before. So can you see here? Email at us. Guest post at HubSpot.com. Second link building opportunity found it. First one is news at Mashable.com. Second one is HubSpot. I found it. So get response. Let me see. We don't cover topics. They accept topics. They don't accept. Okay. So let me see. Ready to guest post. Yeah. There can you see they're asking you to directly fill this information. Article title, outline, link to your article, and comments. They're asking you to fill the form here only. So it's a good opportunity. You don't have to send them emails. Still, if I want emails, guys, I forgot. Find that lead. You find tons of it. Okay. So what was that? I just closed that website. Social media today. Let me find apply to be a casual contributor, community contributor. No emails. Guys, you got the point. You have to just spend time, but you have to find emails, preferably emails or else their contact page something. Now, if you find any other new column to fill, just add it. Okay. We publish guest post. Okay. Again, they're asking you to fill the application URL. Do not submit a company URL here. Your LinkedIn personal URL. They're asking. Now, I don't have time to do all this stuff. Again, I'll use a Ninja tool. Find that lead. Let me see how many emails I can find. Can I see? I found the CEO founder of Social Media Examiner. So I can tell him like, I'm a big fan of yours. I've been reading. I learned so many things. I was able to generate $1 million because of reading through your content, something like that. I can exaggerate. Don't fake it, but try to be realistic. Okay, I can motivate. Can I say? I can say I found a CEO. I found one more CEO. I found Jeff, Pinterest manager, events manager, virtual assistant, head of training. I found all these emails just like that. Okay, you can use Hunter for now. Okay, now like this, guys, you open every single website, 20 list website that accept guest post. So I got every one of them, but make sure, guys, contribute link is the good thing is they've done the heavy lifting for me now. So that's my good thing about being in this space. So I can find all these websites again. If you didn't find them, not file this one. Can I see? I got found links of Lifehacker. So again, I can see their authority, 92 domain authority. Wow. Okay, so I can check their domain authority and page authority. Similarly, you can check all the sites, guys. This is how you find link opportunities. But in the big picture, you got the point. Step number one, try to fill your Excel sheet. Okay, every day, possibly try to find 20 link building opportunities, 20 every day. Again, someday we'll run out, of course. We'll find new other techniques to build backlinks. Don't worry. There are tons of techniques that you can build. So try to build their link opportunity ideas. Okay, there are their website links where they accept it, their terms, because before submitting them, you have to read them. Okay, because they're very clear structure that they say you have to write only 1,000 words or 1,500 words, and this content should be only actionable. This content should not have any plagiarism, no spelling mistakes. They say that you have to read them before submitting. Okay, just go through their ideas. Okay, they accept, they should put relevant images and relevant videos. So all those things you have to consider. Same thing, guys, you find all these links, but you got the big picture. I found direct link where I can submit their article in Huffington Post. It's a very trusted site. I can directly submit their link here. Okay, submit your pitch. So final draft of your proposed post, name, your bio, your email address, and what topic it is about. So this is the aspect of it, guys. I just leave this here. Same thing, I leave here. Same thing. If you don't want, you can find their links also. Say I want to publish in Search Engine Journal about SEO, because Search Engine Journal talks about only SEO. Not, I'll just turn off more SEO quick now. Check their authority, very high authoritative site. So I'll go to this website. Okay, so I found their emails. Can you see this? I found the co-founder of Search Engine Journal email. Danny, yeah, this is a very famous person. Danny Goodwill. Okay, now you can find all this links, guys. Now your goal is to, the assignment is there. Your assignment is to start getting at least 20 guest posting ideas. No, guest posting link opportunities where they accept guest post. So this is step number one. So next one is, again, I'll open a new sheet. Again, a new sheet. Again, guys, it's totally up to you how you want to make this. So I'm going to here. So topic ideas. Topic ideas. Again, make it center aligned. You are listening, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So here we have topic ideas. So what you have to do is, guys, just give serial numbers already there. You can just make a list of topic ideas to publish. Say, for example, you are into interior design.
Yeah.
Interior design. Again, you wrote same steps you already know, but use the good questions for your website. Use the good questions, not so good questions in their website. What are some cool house interior designs, or how should I start my career in interior design? I don't know, but it's fine since it's a guest posting. It's only for backlink you're doing. Any question is fine, but for your website, you know how to choose questions. So I'm going to paste this question. It's a good question. Now take only the questions, guys. Okay. Well, who are the best residential interior designers? Don't choose that type of questions, guys. Guest bloggers will definitely not accept these things. Okay. What's like to be an interior designer? This is a good one. Copy it. So this is only for guest blogging. So how do I start? These are good information based questions where you can put links and you can drive traffic to your website. So, and also backlinks to your website. Now, guys, make sure don't choose too much promotional content. This, you know, what is the promotional content? No? Who are the best? This type of are never accepted unless you pay for them. Some people ask you money. Okay, for them, they may accept this, but usually they won't accept. Now for free. So this is how you find, guys, you know, Quora. The second one, you know, answer the public.com. Go to this website. So just search for something more specific. Be more specific with interior design. Just click search. Now like this, you can just get some ideas. Now other simple way is, I do this. If it's for in digital marketing, I just search for digital marketing. Since you are into interior design, I search for interior design blogs. Okay. So let me just quickly go through them. Let me rip them titles apart now. So they have done all the heavy lifting, so I don't have to spend too much time. So let me see what topics they are writing about. So these are websites within websites. Okay, I got it. They're not real actual websites. So Cuckoo Kelly, Decorilla, like Godzilla. Nice. So go to their websites, guys. So try to find blog page or something like that. They may have lifestyle, say how to style home office that easily transitions from work to weekend. Can I see this?
Yeah.
This is a good topic for maybe good for your business also. If it's too good, keep it to yourself. If it's not good, add to your guest blogging. I'm just getting topics only. Luxury with balance of minimalistic and maximalistic design. I may consider that as a guest blog. Again, avoid basics, guys. Try to use this type of questions. Okay.
Okay.
So now let me find. Again, just copy, rip them apart. No need to worry about it only. So grilled chicken. If you're into more of like more like, I'm not sure. I don't know that comes under your industry, but European architecture makes iconic cool in Los Angeles home. I'm not sure. So you should find time. It should take time. Now take a list of topic ideas. 7 best interior design blocks. Online interior design services. Keyword rich. Okay, let me see any. So interior designers, 7 best ways to get local design help. How to find interior design that's right for you. 7 interior designers with style, like I don't know who's that person. How much does this? Again, it's more of a promotional, so don't go for that. 7 best interior designs to bookmark right now. Guys, you got the concept, no? Let me find one more topic and let me move on. Okay, so I'm just randomly searching. I have no idea. Apartment therapy. I have no idea. Mad about the house. Okay, let me see how to style is there. Very good. I see how to. So good questions. Maybe I find about questions. So before and after bathroom redo will make again 14 foods that you can regrow. No question. Good question. 3 tools then and 10 minutes that are you need to. I don't know what is that about. Before and after. Again, I have very less knowledge about this field. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. So before and after surprise. Now actually the best plants for iconic. I don't know. Maybe you can choose like best plants to use in your home. Okay, hate open. Why are they writing this type of random articles? Hate. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is a good one. You open this. Now let me, that are actually fake, that are basically fake. So we can get like this topic ideas, guys, from different websites. Use all same font. So don't use different. Preferably paste it in a Word document. Okay, before adding it. Okay, there you go. Now you got the list of 4 or 5 topic ideas. Like now, like this, you find now again, you don't have to do hire interns. They like generate like 50 or even 100 topics like this. Okay, but make sure it's not too basic. Something more of a value for them also. It's not to be transactional. If it's transactional, write it in your website. Okay, don't write it in their website, and they won't even accept that type of content. Now, this is step number 2, guys. Step number 1, find link opportunities. Step number 2, try to create a list of topics. Step number 3 is where we start writing emails. Let me go back. So this is aspect of it. Let me go back. Step number 3, this is done. So step number 2 is get latest topic ideas. I mainly use my competitors because they have done all the heavy lifting. Competitors. Okay, so this is step number 1. Step number 2, make a list of topic ideas. Again, keep like at least 10 or 20 in the pipeline easy so that it will be easy for you. So don't keep 1 or 2. So keep like 10 or 20 topic ideas that can be written. So step number 3 is create a email template. So this is where you have to write an email template. So coming to email templates, guys, again, no need to do heavy lifting. Google is there for you. Let me just close it. So let me go to this websites. Let me just close all the sites. So I found topic ideas. I found their emails who accept guest post. Now I just took the topics, guys. Just took the topics. I didn't take the answers. Just keep that in mind. Now here I'm going to search for. I'm not sure what to write search for. So yeah. So guest blogging email templates. Now you can use any template. There are tons of templates people write, but don't take their exact templates. Use some personalization. Okay, Mailshake. There are so many websites. How to write a pitch emails, Ninja Outreach, 34 guest post outreach and emails. All of them are fantastic. So you should write again. You can use a notepad. You can use a Word document. Anything is fine. Whatever you are comfortable with. So subject line will be very simple. subject line will be requesting guest post. So if you don't know how to, if you don't want to use this subject line also, just Google email guest post email ideas, email subject line ideas. Just Google it. Again, there are websites. Can you see? Keep it short and simple. They are given 24 subject lines only, for only subject lines. Okay, as of now, I'll use this one. As of now, that is fine for me. So this like requesting guest post. So this is my subject line. So in the body copy, I say hi there, preferably, if possible, find their first name. Okay, so don't put that, that's a merge tag, but of course you have to use your first name, hi first name, whatever that name, or hello or respected. So it's like, it depends on the designation. Don't give respected, give like hi or hello. So you say, now you start with motivating them. So don't say, I never read your blog, I don't know your blog, but give me a backlink. Don't be too rude. So when you are doing that, it should be more like motivating their ego, boosting their ego. Say like, I am a big fan of your website. I am a big fan or big avid reader of your website. Now you find pretty much this template everywhere, but you come up with something good. Now I regularly follow your blog or articles or your social media or your Twitter, something like that. Now afterwards, now I came across, I'm interested. Now come to the point. I am interested. Now we can still talk about the story, but I'll just come to the point. I'm interested in a guest post, guest blog in your site that will add lot of value. Again, focus on the end user, lot of value to your website, visitors. Again, you can take templates, guys, but it is the point. So here is the list. Here is the list that is a perfect fit, or that is best for your site. So here you give one topic, two topics. Again, I'll tune it. Don't worry. I'm not going to keep this exactly perfect. I'm going to rip off the copy from others. So you take, say, these are the three things. Okay. So these topics, again, I'll go back. So just make sure you add them here. 1, 2, 3 topics. Make it 1. Is it boring?
No, I'm just seeing.
Okay. So the third one is, these are the topics. Don't give more than 3. Keep it 3. Okay. Don't give too many options. That time we'll expect to write all of them. Okay. Give them 3. Tell them to write one of them. Okay. Let me know which one, but only one, which one suits you, your website. I will send the draft copy ASAP. Don't say I'm just sending the final copy, because there'll be some corrections here and there. They'll say that's not good, this is not good. How did you come to that conclusion? Something like that. There will always be people. Some people, guys, when you're replying, when you're sending emails, if you get a reply to give me money, you can ignore them. Okay, don't take it forward. Just say it's against Google terms. We cannot give you money. But if you're okay, it's up to you. But please avoid that type of people. So since you're already spending a lot of time with your content writer to write this content and all. So again, I usually avoid them. If my companies are willing to pay, I may buy that backlink also. So again, guys, this is what you write. Again, this is a very bad copy. Let me show you some good email templates that you can write. Can you see? So let me see. Guest post promotion by example. They are real screenshots. Can you see? Big fan of that you do, man. I'm actually a musician myself. Again, you can say, again, I love to your customer. I wrote a article stands, something I'm not sure. So let me see. So hi, say here, author's article. I follow your blog. So not good. Let me just check other sites. So how to write a pitch your email topic. Let me see any templates available. Hook, include content. Even this guy, yeah, even they have put only one. How to turn into a perfect puppy. I don't know what is that. Let me find this one. Yes, it's easy, guys. Just Google it. You'll find good templates. Now, as of now, sadly, yeah, there you go. Hi there. Finally, I think I copied from them or they copied from me. I don't know. I'm a big fan of their blog. Write their blog name. Say I'm the big fan of. I think here their website is here. Their website is here. Architect Ideas. Of course, you never heard of them. Now, I'm a huge fan of their site. I just wanted to reach out because I really enjoy your writing. In fact, I accomplished something cool. Again, right, like from reading your blog, say like I was able to get 5 new clients after implementing your strategies. Okay. Now link to their blog article if you want. What article you read, just read some like random topics of that and tell them what helped them. So I know you're busy. I don't want to waste your time. I'm reaching out because I have some ideas and their blog name, audience, what again, they say about interior design, so I would positively love, and I was wondering you're open to a guest post. So here, 1, 2, 3. To give you an idea of my blogging style, you can share your previous work. This is a very good one, actually. Thanks for your time and consideration. I can't wait to hear back from you. Cheers. Good evening. So this is a very good template. I can rip off this paragraph. So this is a good one. So I'll go back. Again, yes, it's all about modifying it. So again here, so we can paste it. So here is my share. You can share 1 here and 2 here. Previous post. Thank you for your consideration. I can't hear back. And here you put your name. So again, guys, don't take all of them. I can read all of them. Okay. So this is one more. So again, can I say I was digging around information on interior design today. Came across your post. So that looks great. Thanks for a lot of advice. I'm implementing. Again, fill in the blanks. However, I like to find some broken links there. Again, this is a more broken link building. Not consider that. Perfect link building for resource page. No, but you got the point. So similarly, I'll go to here, 15 great templates. There are tons of them. Say I want to start off by saying, again, this is a very common theme that you come across. So preferably go for this. You may have noticed my comment in the last post. Love that post, literally printed it. And this is a very nice one. This is a very nice return. Anyways, I was checking around other posts, noticed. So I got me thinking, I love to be your next guest author. So here are the few topics, readers to the value. So again, 1, 2, 3 topics. Again, share your previous work. I think this is a very perfect template for you right now. So you can use this template only. So just go to this page. So you write this topic. So you just change the content, change the words. This is 2 topics. So now again, you can test it. You can half of your audience you send the first one, which is of course bad. The half of the one, this is a well-written one. Again, modified, guys, tune it, change synonyms, change different words. Don't keep it too perfect because this type of templates maybe may also received in the past. Something like this, you write. So rather than big fan, I say I'm an avid reader of your blog. Okay. Avid reader of your blog name. So you may have noticed my comment, or you may have noticed my comment in your latest post, as I say, from on social media. Something like that. It don't have to be true, guys. You don't have to be true. So you write a perfect template. So let me copy these topics. Again, it's not perfect. Please go through line by line and replace all the words. I'm not going to do that now. Now here, just share your previous work. Again, to copy some random blogs. Again, make sure it's already written in your website or some other website. Okay. So this is the email topic that you have to write. Okay. So I'll go back. So here is my previous work on these topics and now you don't know, hi, that name is done. Perfect. So my copy is done. Copy it. So once it is done, go to your company mail. Use your company mail. Use your Zoho mail or Google Suite. Don't use your Gmail. As of now, I'm going to use my Gmail. As of now, because I want to log into my company mail because all my okay, just to confirm. So create an email template is done, and make sure you use company mails. Company mails. Say for example, your name at company.com. Whatever is your company name, company domain, company.com. This is a simple email, guys. You can set it up by Zoho Mails, or else I'll create a video in the future how to use Google Suite or even whatever tool you want. So it should be done. I'm using Gmail for now, but you should be using your company mails. So click on compose. Okay. Here you find the email. You found the emails. Yes. I'll not be sending, don't worry. So copy that email, paste the email here. So what is the subject line? Looking for guest post or guest post opportunity or guest post. I don't know what I wrote there. Let me just quickly check. So requesting guest post, sorry. Guys, it's up to you how you want to write it. So just write that. So next one, I'll go to my site. I think just let me connect to my charger. Just give me a second. Yeah, there you go. It's done. So let me copy this content. Again, you can modify it everything there only, or you can modify it here. Okay. So here you can say that person's name. Hi, Hari. So something like this, or whatever that person's name. Okay. FRST, first name. Okay, just make sure you just the first name. So I want to start again. Please make sure you just change all these words. Just if you don't like those sentences, delete those sentences. You don't have to. Now here are the few topics. So just you can highlight them. So highlight these topics and what you are going to write. So to publish any idea of quality, I am to bring to the table. Here are the few posts of my previous link. Just share it to them. So here, the last, click on, you give your name, and afterwards, again, you can do it on Zoho, any email service provider, even if you have webmail. It works the same. Now click send. As of now, I want to send it to them. I will send it to myself. Okay. So I'm just going to put my email here, requesting guest post. Assume I get the email. So I click send. Okay. So if I click send, what happens? That person will receive that email.
Okay.
Now let me see what I can do. Let me see if I got an email from, or it went to spam. Hopefully I didn't spam myself. Now let me check on my phone. Now I think that it takes time access certain times inbox. Yeah, there you go. I got an email requesting guest post. Now what I'll say in the reply? Now I'll say, sure. I'll say sure. And I assume I'm the person who's receiving the email. Kindly share the article related to. Now I'll say like question 1. I don't know what is that question. I'll just say question 1, but you write, and I'm happy to publish. Publish. So I just sent some dummy copy. Of course, it's a dummy copy. Now I'm just going to refresh this. Now let me check if I got the mail here. I should be getting an email. There you go. So I got a reply from the user. Of course, I only replied. So it says, sure, kindly send the article related to the question. I'm happy to publish. So what I do now? Now, quickly, he says about related to question 1. I have no idea what I sent about question 1. This is about how to style your office home easily. So I'm going to copy this. Now, what I do is I have a Slack group. You can have a WhatsApp group, anything. So what you do is you find your, again, you can write, but since your business will take so much time, so you can find your copywriters, your freelancers, freelance copywriters or content writers. Okay. If it's a freelance, just go to your Facebook groups and you can find them.
Okay.
Freelance copywriters, give them the topic. Give them the topic, give them the deadline, 48 hours or 24 hours, whatever you want to do it. Get the content. They will send you a document around the topic. That's their work. You don't have to worry, and you don't even have to bother what is that content. Preferably just do a quick proofreading, because you're already you're paying for them. So make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Don't say it's for some other website, tell it's your own website. So give more attention, make sure the quality is good. So you just they'll send you the document. So this is what happens in my company also. So I just send them the topic here. They'll send me the document. So once they send my document, I'll just create a dummy document. New document. Okay, it's a dummy document, of course. Okay, so about this topic. Okay, how to style your home. This is the document. It's ready. Now it's a empty content. Of course, there is no content in that page. So assume there's content in that. In this content, when you are sending them only, make sure in that content the links are provided already. Okay, just like Wikipedia, guys. Just like that, you know how to use it. Just open with there's no other apps. There was one more, no? WordPad. Yeah, I'll use this one for now. I don't use Microsoft Office, sadly. So let me just quickly go back and let me go to interior design. This will be written by your, this will be written by, content writers. So just let me just copy some Wikipedia content, some dummy content, but it should be written by your client. Okay. So actually not, sorry, your content writer. I'm really sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm going to copy this, go back, paste it. Now in this content, if you're using Word document, automatically the links will be taken. You have seen them certain times.
Yeah.
So same thing, it's not there. There should be an option called somewhere insert here. So make sure you put make sure you use some words. It cannot be always exact match. Okay. So make sure some words are covered related to your keywords, and make sure that links are already provided here only. Before sending only, the link should be added. Guys, this is a Word document. WordPad doesn't accept links, but usually every website will accept links. You have to put, every document, if you do Google Sheet, Google Drive also, Google documents also, it works. Just give some links here and there. And also you don't have to always give it to yourself. You can give it to some other trusted source related to that topic. So make sure it's not too scammy. Okay. So because they may not approve it, because they may ask you, it's only given to yourself. you make sure you give it to others. Again, you have to redo it. Make sure you give one link to yourself and one link to some random website. Okay, so random website, maybe any information that you got information from them. Okay, so if you don't know how to do that, tell your content writers to put 1 or 2 links by default there only. Your content writer will do that for you, and 1 or 2 relevant images here and there, add it. Now if he gives you, now find a word or try to put a word somewhere in the article that covers some aspect of your keyword, embed them and save it, and done. So this file is done. Again, I'll go back to my mail. I go back to my mail. Now I'll just go to reply. So I say, here you go. I have shared my final draft. This is your final draft. Okay, so let us know any changes to be made. So afterwards, attach the file. You know how to attach a file, very simple. So here I click on attach. So let me know once you publish it. Sorry, you publish it. I will share the link of your website to my email list. I know I have an email list of 50, but assume you have an email list of 500 or 5,000, so you get more visitors. So again, you're helping them.
Okay.
Something like that. So afterwards, again, what you do, you send them. Now again, you just send them. Now they'll think he has to publish, so he'll get a link, so he'll get the traffic again. So he will try to publish it much faster. It's kind of like a scarcity marketing that I'm doing. Okay, so he will do it faster. Now I click send. Now and done. So I don't want to reply from myself. I'll just, you got the point. Afterwards, I say from my side, I say it's been published. Here is the link. So that's it. You get a backlink from them. Now this is a time-taking process. That email may not be this fast. It will take sometimes they reply within hours. Actually, sometimes it takes days and sometimes weeks also. Sometimes they won't even reply. For them, you don't have to do anything. Just leave them. Okay. So this is what you do in terms of the first technique I want to tell you in terms of guest blogging. So freelance content writer, send the document, forward. After putting links, make sure links are added. There's no point without, if you're sending without links, there's no point. Okay, forward it to the website. So this is the steps, and this is the step-by-step guide you have to go through to do guest blogging. Sounds difficult, guys, trust me. Only thing is you have to find link opportunities. That's it. And everything else will be done by someone else. So everything else will be done by some other, like copywriting. That's the most difficult work. So what I do is I'll outsource a person, and the type of content to be written depends on the website I'm outreaching. If it's a good competitive, good website, I've had good quality content writers where I end up paying even 2 rupees per word also.
Okay.
Okay. So if, again, let me just click enter. I don't know where it went.